Hello YouTube, once again, this is an unboxing video of this Canon PowerShot G7x Mark2 that I got, and I'm very excited to have this camera as my main camera for my Stezworld channel. And I got this camera for $649.99 at B&H. Also, it came with this free bundle with this memory card for 32 gigabytes. This pouch for the camera and an extra pair of batteries. These are some of the features that it has. It has a Wi-Fi, NFC, 24mm wide, 4.2 times the lens, a 21.1 megapixel, a 1.0 top CMOS sensor, HS system, and Logic 7. All right, inside the box, we have this piece of paper. It says a Canon limited warranty paper, a flyer to register for a photo album from Canon, instruction manual. And here's the main object of this unboxing, the camera. It's very small and compact. This is one of the best vlogging cameras, and can't wait to use this. Primarily, I could look at myself when I'm recording. I could see myself through this screen. And I'm excited to use this. Also inside the box, we have a charger, a battery charger. We have a strap, and we have the battery. I mean, I see here is 3.6 volts, 212.50 milliamp battery. It's pretty small for this camera. That's why they gave me an extra one. I mean, having two spares battery for this piece right here, it's pretty good. It's because of people like you, my viewers, my subscriber, give me the inspiration to buy this camera and continue to creating new content for Stezworld. Before I used this camera, I used a iPhone 7 for my first 3 videos. The image quality was good from from the iPhone, but from using this camera, it seems like my game is gonna step up a little bit. And previously, before I used that, I used to use this Sony camera as a point and shoot, and now this is going to be retired because this is going to be my main point to shoot camera and video. So probably one day, probably when I reach 5,000 subscribers, I'll probably do a giveaway plus a gift card from an airline. Thank you for watching this unboxing of my Canon G7x Mark2. And I hope I could see you on the next one. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and also at Twitter at Stezworld. Safe travels.